Hello friends, in this video let us see the unboxing of one by Wacom. So this particular model is the entry level model. So in fact this is the lowest price model that is available in the Wacom series. So the price of this particular model is 3,800 in Amazon, and I bought it from a local shop. So I paid 4,200 for this. So due to this corona, Amazon was not able to deliver to my location, so I bought it from a local store. So the MRP that is mentioned here is 4,699. I paid 4,200 for this. In Amazon it is available for 3,800 rupees. So the model name is Wacom CTL 472 K0-CX. So now let us quickly unbox this tablet and see what it has got. Okay, so this is the actual box. This is just an empty box, so let us keep it aside. So this is the actual carton cover. Okay, this is a red plus black combination. Let us open it. Okay, so when you open it, you have this instruction here. So first you'll have to connect it to the PC, then you'll have to download the software so that it can be used by a PC. So this will not work on a computer without drivers. So this is the actual tab. Okay, see here, it is. So here you can write your name, and these are the other details about this particular model. This particular product is made in China. So it has got these 4 dots, rubber pads at the 4 corners, right? So which will make sure that the tablet doesn't move when you write. Right now it is covered with plastic protection. Okay, let us keep it aside and let us see what else do we have in the box. Okay, so in the box we have this micro USB type data cable. So this has to be connected one end to this end to the PC, the type USB type A to the PC, and micro USB type to the actual device. Next, what else we have here? Okay, nothing else in the box. So we have box here which has got user manual. Again, nothing else. It's a empty. Okay, next we have this pen. Let me remove it. Okay, so this is the actual pen. So we have this Wacom brand name embossed on the pen, and this pen has got 2 clips, so which is configurable again with the help of the software. Next, it has got this tip with which you can write. So this pen doesn't require any batteries to operate. It can operate without a battery. Okay, let us keep it aside. Now let us take this. So this is the actual data cable along with the replaceable nibs. So it has got 3 replaceable nibs. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is the actual clip with which you can pull the nib out. So it is a metal ring. It is a metal ring, and if you look at the nib, see all the three nibs are of same size. So it is just a replacement nib. So it is not like it is not like using different nibs for different purpose. No, this is all replacement nibs. All right, so that is all about the unboxing of the tablet. Now let us have a detailed look at the tab. So here it has got this you open it. So it is a resealable pack, so you can always reseal it again. So this cover can be reused. Okay, so this is the actual tablet. So it has got this you know a sleek where you can insert this. Okay, it should go like this then. So this is for keeping the keeping the pen here, so that you will not lose it on the transit. So this one can actually hold the pen like this. Okay, let us keep it aside. So this is the actual tab. So here we have this indicator. This is the indicator, and these dotted areas is the writable usable area. The color is so nice. It is dark red. So it has got a serial number, everything, so you can register the product. It comes with 1 year warranty by Wacom. That's it. So that is the unboxing of Wacom entry level tablet, the very basic model, which is CTL 472. This is the actual model, CTL 472. So the difference between CTL 472 and CTL 672 is only the size. So this one is a smaller size. The next one is a medium size, which is a 672. I have some space constraints, so I bought this small size model. So if at all if you are working on larger desk, then you can go with the medium size model. There is no other functional difference between 472 and 672 other than the size. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.